Kev G, weather overview. How's it going out there? We have excessive heat warnings in effect for the entire area for tomorrow and Sunday. And this is due to the fact that we're going to have heat index values that are going to be above 105. And that is quite oppressive. Now, what is the heat index? It's a combination of the air temperature and the humidity. That's how they get the heat index. And it can be very dangerous, as we all know. So take proper precautions, especially if you're going to be out there tomorrow doing strenuous activities. Now, when we look at the actual, air temperatures, they're a lot lower than the heat index. But when you combine the heat with the actual air temperature with the humidity, that's what makes it so dangerous. So if we had a classic like a desert heat, a so-called dry heat, this wouldn't be as bad. But the humidity values really make this a difficult situation for a lot of people. Those that are sensitive to the heat and humidity, and just about everybody. If you're out there for any extended amount of time, it can really be tough on you. So just keep that in mind the next 2 to 3 days as we work our way through this. Now, I wonder if this is going to be the hottest weather of the summer, because I think, just if we reset the summer pattern and we have these troughs that come in from the north, I think that we'll be in good shape the rest of the summer. That's not to say it won't get hot again, but I have to wonder if this is going to be like the really, the highlight of heat for the summer. Now, when we look at how this all breaks, it's going to break by Monday, and I think we're going to have a similar situation to what we had a couple of nights ago with a lot of showers and thunderstorms. This may actually start a bit earlier on Monday than when we had it the other day. I think that this will get going maybe in the early to mid-afternoon, and then it'll continue through the night. This is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. But the idea is that a front comes through, breaks up the aforementioned heat wave with showers and thunderstorms, and these showers and storms could have a lot of heavy rain with them. So the Monday evening commute could be problematic. And as we get into Tuesday, this front may linger around for a little bit, especially near the coast, so that you can't really rule out a rain chance for Tuesday. But all in all, once we get past Tuesday, the overall pattern supports a very nice stretch of weather. And what I mean by the overall pattern configuration is that when you look at it by Monday, our heat wave is starting to break down, and we have what we had in the earlier part of the month and late June, where the jet stream is coming down from the north. And that is going to stop any potential heat from building up for too long. In fact, I think for the rest of next week, I think it's looking pretty good. When you take a look at the temperatures off of Weather Underground, I mean, once we get past Sunday, the two boiling hot days for Saturday, Sunday. Tuesday, leftover clouds. I don't think it rains all day, but leftover clouds, high around 80. And then Wednesday, a beauty with 81, low humidity. And then Thursday, Friday, much of the same. Humidity levels, they stay reasonable. I think they'll come up a little bit, but I think for the most part, once we get past Monday and we break down this heat wave, we're really going to be in good shape. So if you're taking off next week and you got some summer plans, it looks like an absolute gem once we get past this oppressive heat and humidity for this upcoming weekend. So stay safe and be cool, as they say.